At which layer CDS view is created? Okay, at which layer CDS view is created? So the answer is ABAP application layer, right? So we use generally ADT on ABAP or HANA Studio for the purpose of creating the CDS view. So here, at which layer CDS view is created? At the application server layer we create. But when we activate, it creates the two object. HANA view gets created at the database layer, and you know, and the SQL view gets created at the application server layer. That's what the point over here. So when we write the code, at which layer we write the code? That's the question over here. At which layer CDS view is written? Better write over here the question written. Okay. ABAP application layer. Another question, with which tool you can create the CDS? ADT on Eclipse or HANA Studio? All these questions are important. Very, very important. Okay. All the questions from CDS are very, very important. Is it possible to create the CDS in SAP GUI? No, not possible, right? What is the mandatory NetWeaver version which is required to create the CDS? NetWeaver 7.40 SP06 onwards. Okay. What is the mandatory NetWeaver version which is required to create the CDS? Okay. We can't create the CDS on all the NetWeaver version. NetWeaver 7.40 SP06 onwards only possible. Right here in the chat box, NetWeaver 7.40 SP06 onwards. Keep your chat box open so that you will keep on writing, and you will be having the better practice. Another question over here, already we are having the DD view, and also, you keep on taking the screenshot so that when you will go into the breakout area, you will be able to revise over there with your peers. Okay, so by 8:10 I will send you all in the breakout area, and you can discuss over there around 20 minutes what we are learning over here. So that's going to be more powerful, and that's going to be more impactful. Okay, who is ever joining from YouTube and Facebook, just come over here on the Zoom link which I have shared already, and you can join from here so that you can take the benefit of breakout area over here. Already we are having the DD view. So here you can see the question is already another question. Already we are having the DD view, database view, projection view, help view, maintenance view, right? Then why the CDS is required? Then why CDS view is required? One more view, why it is required. So this answer we will see in the next slides in more detail, because its answer is little, bigger answer. Another question, what are the places where we can use the CDS view? In a BAP report you can use. See the usability. One CDS view we can use in multiple places. Okay. One CDS view we can use in multiple places. ABAP report, Fury or UI5, analytics, embedded analytics, right? You have a single CDS view, but there are so many places we are going to use this one. Can we create a database table with the help of CDS? Yes, it is possible. Okay. Can you create a database table with the help of CDS? Yes, it is possible. Why? Because our CDS is extension of SQL. So when we talk about the SQL, DDL also is a part of SQL. DDL is also part of the SQL. So when we talk about the DDL means you are going to create the database table. You are going to create the schema, right? That's the meaning of DDL. Because CDS is the extension of DDL. So you will be able to create the database table with the help of CDS. Very important question, but sometimes people gets confused. That's why I marked in the red over here. Yes, it is possible. How? The question is how. It is extension of the OpenSQL. Okay, we have the syntax over there. I will let you know, or you can just go through and Google it out. You will find the syntax how to create the table with the help of CDS, and that's where the RESTful ABAP programming also comes. Right. So it is extension of the OpenSQL. What technology is used to create or alter the DB using the CDS? What technology is used to create or alter the DB using the CDS? Using CDS in RESTful ABAP or ABAP on cloud. Okay, so what technology is used to create or alter the DB using the CDS? So if you want to create the database table, or if you want to alter, how you can do using the CDS in the RESTful ABAP or ABAP on cloud. So both the way we will be able to create the table. Okay, so if you have some idea about the RESTful ABAP, or if you have worked on the ABAP on cloud, you know, both is both is synonym of each other. RESTful ABAP you tell, or ABAP on cloud, both is same. So here you can see that this is the way how you can go and create. Okay, another question over here, which one is more easier, MDP or CDS for an ABAPer? So of course CDS is more easier for an ABAPer because we already know about the OpenSQL and all, right? Another question, if you have to write the complex business logic, then which approach is better for code push down? Answer is AMDP. Answer is AMDP, SQL script. Not the new OpenSQL, not the CDS. AMDP is the answer. If you have the large complex business logic, you have to go for the AMDP. Okay, so the question over here, if you have to write the complex business logic, then which approach is better for code push down? Answer is MDP. How easy the CDS lifecycle management? So easy. Lot of means it's very much easy. Exactly same as ABAP. No hassle, very easy. Just attach with a transport request while developing this, and everything will be taken care. So that's why the CDS is so popular. Transparent transport management is also so easy. Reusability, transport management, right? OData creation, then another RESTful ABAP or ABAP on cloud. All this concept is based on CDS. So CDS is going to be pillar for ABAP programming in coming days. That's why the CDS is so powerful. Hmm? All the question from CDS is very, very important. Can we debug the CDS view? No. When you activate the CDS, what are the views gets created? CDS view and SQL view, right? We have just seen over here. When you are going to activate the CDS over here, DDIC view and HANA view, both is going to get created. So the two question, can you debug the CDS view? No, not possible. Another question, when you activate the CDS, what are the views gets created? CDS view, right? Hope it's clear for you. Hmm? If you want to discuss, feel free to discuss. It's just going to be one way. I'm talking and talking and talking. If you want to discuss something, let me know. Okay. Because